Hello, this is needlepointers.com. Do you want an activity to keep your toddler or preschooler busy? Try making some lacing cards. Lacing cards are an excellent activity which will strengthen the toddler's fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. And making lacing cards yourself is super fast and easy. All you need are old greeting or Christmas cards, glue, paper hole punch, scissor, and shoelaces. These shoelaces I actually got at Dollar Tree for $1. Find cards with pictures that will interest your child. Glue the card together and allow it to dry completely. You may want to put it under some books so that it dries flat. Leave the cards as is or cut them into interesting shapes and designs. Use a hole punch to punch holes around the outside or around the design. Tie a knot in the shoelace or tie the shoelace to the card. Then show the child how to thread the shoelace through the holes. Teach them the running stitch and the overcast stitch. Here are examples. This is the overcast and this is the running stitch. It's that easy. I hope that you make some lacing cards for your child. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us and to find other ideas, activities, and free projects for children.